Hi, I'm Sarah, and in today's video, Jeroen, the CEO of Complete AI Training, will run you through how to use AI as a customer success manager. A lot of the information we'll cover today can also be found online if you research it yourself. However, at CompleteAITraining.com, we provide all the most up-to-date information on artificial intelligence for customer success managers in one place, offering you a comprehensive overview. So, why is AI crucial for your career as a customer success manager? First, it helps future-proof your skills. AI is transforming industries rapidly, and by mastering it, you ensure that your skills remain relevant and valuable. Additionally, AI can save you a wealth of time by automating routine tasks, allowing you to focus on more strategic aspects of your role. Not only that, but AI expertise can also increase your salary, as it's highly sought after, leading to better job opportunities and higher compensation. And importantly, by leveraging AI, you can enhance your productivity and effectiveness, making you indispensable to your organization. Now, let's talk about the steps to becoming an AI expert. First, our video courses are designed to take you from a basic AI user to an advanced one. These courses cover fundamental concepts and advanced techniques to maximize your AI proficiency. Next, we offer prompt courses that teach you how to integrate AI into your daily tasks. From automating responses to analyzing customer data, these courses provide practical applications tailored specifically for customer success managers. Then, we have custom GPTs, which are specialized AI models designed for specific tasks. We teach you how to use existing GPTs and even create your own, enhancing your ability to handle diverse responsibilities efficiently. Besides that, we offer comprehensive AI books and guides that you can use as a reference, deepening your understanding and skills in AI. Continuous learning is crucial because AI is continuously evolving. At Complete AI Training, we frequently update our content to include the latest developments in AI, so you don't have to worry about staying current. Our resources ensure you're always ahead of the curve. We keep all relevant resources for customer success managers organized for you, so you can focus on your job while regularly checking in and staying up to date. By following these steps and utilizing our resources, you'll be well on your way to becoming an AI expert in customer success management. Remember, mastering AI not only boosts your productivity and efficiency, but also secures your career in an ever-evolving landscape. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time at Complete AI Training.